Really? Nice.
Oh my god. What are they doing to me?
I'm doing it, guys. I'm gonna do it. Yep, I'm doing it. I'm going to war.
I know what this is.
No.
A knife, maybe.
I got this. Let me do this. Let me handle this. Oh fuck. I messed up, bro. I think it was me because I'm running through everything right now. Dang, bro. I suck. Hey, Bubba. Yeah. Where's Bubba at? Bro, who disconnected? Oh, Sissy disconnected. Oh, fuck. Oh, he scared me.
Please, protect us. Please.
No, oh, I'm hiding right now. Oh, fuck. I'm screwed. Alright, guys, it was nice knowing you guys. Don't. Damn. Oh. 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 Alright, guys, I'll stop. I'm no match for them. Yeah. No way, bro. No way. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Go. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. Is it a ladder?
In God's name. What is this place?
Bro, Bubba's still chasing me. He won't leave me alone. Ah, nice.
I should see what that is.
I'm never doing that again. Sorry about that, Adrian. I thought I could do it. I thought I could do
There's
it.
gotta be something I can use around here.
I hear Bubba. But Bubba just keeps going after me, bro. I see him right now. Oh, okay, yeah. I think so. Yeah. But Bubba sounds so close. Alright, I'm going back downstairs then.
Oh no, they're here. Stay calm.
Yeah. I hear him. I'm going back downstairs. Sean, let me know when you open it.
Thank you, God. I think I lost them.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it.
What's that over there?
Alright. We'll let you know where it's at if we find it. I think Bubba's back downstairs, I'm not sure. Okay.
Think. What do I do? What do I do?
Come on, where is this gate? I have... Where's it at?
Oh, A shortcut?
Okay. So I was close to it. Oh, I found it. Yeah, Sean, we found it. Yeah. You just yeah. Come to as soon as you come out the door, like right in front of you, you're gonna see that squeeze space you can squeeze through and just go in through there. And it's right here. I'm gonna be standing here. Just in case you need help. Yeah. Are you opening it? Uh, you need help?
I can't get away. Think.
Adrian, where you going?
Please, God, help me. Go away, damn.
Wait, Sean, where are you?
Are they gone?
Oh, you open it? Adrian, come back down.
I'm okay. For now.
Hurry, I'm waiting for you guys down here. Yeah, Sean. The exit we went through. Sean, just run for it, bro. Just run for it. Wait, is Sean Leland? Yeah, Leland was right here next to us.
Did they
Bubba's coming?
really leave? I don't know about this.
Alright. Yeah. Hurry.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Wait. What's that?
I mean, you could have been Leland, but... Really? Oh, crap. I better hurry up. I'm getting a bone chip right now. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hear him.
This?
Bro, he sounded so close to me. I got scared.
Don't even think about it, Amma. Just stay calm.
What the heck? What was that noise? It sounded like a generator turning off. I don't know. Alright, good luck.
Okay, Anna. Stay calm. You can use this.
Alright.
Locks, baby.
Oh crap. Hopefully I didn't make noise. Who's this getting the bone chip? Oh, Leland. I'm gonna open the door right now. By the south tunnel. Oh, you did? Never mind then. Bro, Bubba sounds so close to me. Oh my god. Hold on guys, I'm coming. What? Why? What did Sean do to you? Alright, we're here. Yeah. Bro, I hear a chicken.
I should see what that is.
Oh crap. Someone's there. Oh. Someone's there, right? It's Leland. He's just running. He's right. Leland's here. Leland's gonna go upstairs. I want to see if he gets killed. Okay, go on. Come back to the exit. Leland's going up. Leland's going upstairs. Johnny's down here. Alright. Really? I found a fuse nearby earlier, or like last game. Like where is it? Was it in here? Oh yeah. Wait, are you Julie? Oh yeah. Yeah, I got it. Okay. I'll watch your back.
Please, God, help me find a way to open this thing.
Alright, Bubba's still down there too. I don't hear his chainsaw. Oh look, the water valve pump's right there. Just in case we do end up needing it. Please don't move, Leland. Sean! No! Go. Hey, Leland. I'm coming. Where are you? He moved like last second. Sean! I'm coming. Move, Leland! I need you guys to watch my back. Do you guys have a bone shiv? Okay. I'm about to open them on the last one. 3, 2, 1.
It's open.
Hurry!
Oh my God.
Yes!
I have to find help.
Oh bro, Sunny's right next to me. Oh shit bro, he's real. Oh, Sunny!
You can do this.
Oh, hey Sean. That was Sunny. What do you mean? No, that was Sunny. He ran fast. Bro, I don't know where Sunny went. No, I swear it wasn't. No, that's not true. You know that's not true.
Yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
No, guys, I can explain it. It was never. Guys, it wasn't me, I swear. Alright. Bubba?
I wonder where this goes.
Already? Oh my god. Bro, I hate Sissy. Susie, can you leave? What?
Think.
Bro, I don't see the door that's highlighted. Me
What
neither.
do I do?
It didn't get highlighted. Hey, how'd you see the family house? The front door? Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming right now.
A shortcut?
Wait, no you didn't. You lied. It's this pick lock. I see Sissy. Sissy, can you leave, please? Don't move. Oh crap, hitchhiker's right there. Run, Sonny. Bro, Sonny's getting chased. Sorry, Sonny. He's looking for me. He knows I'm out here. Watch Sean die right now. Sonny jumped into the well. Let's see. Was it Sonny? I think it was Sonny. The hitchhiker's scaring me. Bro, they're all out here. Shorty doing chase. He's getting chased by everyone. He's getting chased by everyone. I saw Sean die again. How are you about to escape?
Okay, stay quiet. I'm right there.
Oh fuck! Oh, let me stab him. Why can't I stab him? Oh fuck! Oh crap! I used it. Oh, I didn't know I got rid of it.
You get away from me.
Oh, I saw Bubba. I saw Bubba.
Please, gotta help
Right.
me.
Oh my god. I need more stamina. Bye, Bubba. Bro, he missed. Wait, are you
I
dead?
should see what that is.
I saw. I was in the bushes next to you. I just see you run out of the house. I see Bubba chasing you, and then I see Hitchhiker and then TC. Agent, did you open that gate?
But it's something.
No, there's a yellow gate highlighted. Damn.
Oh, thank God.
Who keeps immobilizing him?
This'll help the pain.
Oh. Well, obviously not you, Sean. You're dead. You're like gangbanged by all three of them.
I don't know about this.
Ah! Because I had to. Yeah. So they camping? Right. Yeah.
Thank you, God. I think I lost them.
Yeah. Oh my god. I hear Bubba coming. Adrian, this could be the end of the line for me. What? Yeah.
You can do this. Think. I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm. Are they really gone?
Adrian, are you Connie? Oh, I see you. Why are you in the backyard? Bro, Hitchhiker's just camping over here, so is he. Oh my god, Adrian, they see you. They both see you. Bro, I don't have a bone shield. Yeah, it's upstairs probably. Shit, they're all back here. You just have to be patient. That's all this game's about. Patience. Stealthness. Oh, they're chasing Sunny. This is my chance to escape. Sean, they're all three of them are killing Sunny. Oh, Sunny's dead.
Stay away from me.
Agent, it's just us two. How?
Oh, finally. I left.
That's what I'm doing right
To
now.
find the others.
And then Sean had to ruin it, right? The Legend of Sean O'Day. I found the fuse, Adrian. I know I had the fuse, so was the fuse.
What is this place? I know they're still around here somewhere.
Oh shit, Adrian, move!
Careful, Anna.
Someone's nearby. Oh, yeah. Close the door. Close the door. Will they see me?
These people.
Do they?
I need to be careful. They might still be near.
What? I did it. Why isn't it working?
Oh my god.
Oh, that's
Right
why I'm
here,
stupid.
Connie.
Yeah, yeah. Adrian, there, there, there.
Thank you.
Go, 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 come on.
Why are you?
Ah! Yeah, yeah, yeah. Close it. I'm gonna close the door. I close. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my god, yes, yes, yes! Oh yeah! We're just too good! Yeah. Sorry, Sean. Another sacrifice you made. Just like your sacrifice last match where you died right in front of us. Like a hero. Just like a hero.